If you are wondering if we will receive Android 16 update on a Realme GT 7T, then the answer is yes, we will receive Android 16 update once it is, of course, ready. Now, there is no, at least as I'm recording this video, there is no official date when we will receive the Android 16 update on a Realme GT 7T. The only thing that we can do is, of course, go to settings, open system and update, and then check software update if there is a new update waiting for you. And like I said, there is no official date, at least right now, and we are promised to receive up to 6 major Android updates. So in theory, of course, we should be able to receive Android 16. So look for official dates or for some hints when we can expect Android 16. But eventually, of course, it should appear on this phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.